guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little minute since I've done a YouTube video, but I've been working on my business, which is SLR Beauty. I'm very proud of this accomplishment where I designed my own 3D mink lashes. So today I'll be showing you how to put on lashes, as it was requested by a few of my clients, being that I came out with these lashes. Hey, why not go ahead and do a YouTube tutorial? So this is the packaging, and then it has my website on the back, slrbeauty.com. And then inside you have Be Beautiful, Be Confident. And the lashes that I'm wearing is Bad Gal, which is at the top here. So I really love my packaging. The website will be up. You could go ahead and purchase. The prices range from $17.99 to $21.99. This one would be one that's $21.99. So right now you see that I have on Bad Gal. Also, I'm just going to do a quick little review on a few products that I recently tried. First, I recently tried the Tatcha, and this is the Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. It states that invisible layers of silk instantly filters away imperfections and impurities for alluring skin all day and over time. I've worn this primer about maybe 2 or 3 times. It comes like this. As you can see, my fingers went a little deep into it, but you want to apply a generous amount onto your skin. I am using it today, so I do have it on. I will state that I do like this primer. I feel like it might go by very fast if you use this every day. I only use this when I'm really going out. But it kind of filters out like your pores, where it gives you more of that silk smooth look on your skin. So I would highly recommend this primer. It has like a fragrance. It has like a clean smell to it. So if you're very sensitive with smells, that's something that you might want to consider. But I think it retails for about $50 or so, which is kind of pricey for a primer, but hey, you know, maybe you want to wear it on days that you're really going out somewhere and kind of use something else for during the week. But it is a good primer to have, especially if you have oily skin. It kind of helps keep you matte. As you can see, I've had this on since maybe 9 a.m. my foundation. I'm wearing the Maybelline Poreless foundation, and I'm just shiny in a few areas, but I did kind of blot a while ago. Another item that I've recently tried is the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder, and this one is in Banana. After Makeup Shayla did a review on it, you know, I went out and purchased it for myself so that I could see how I liked it. I will say that it's finely milled, where it's not like the benign powder where it kind of gives like a thickish, like a cake more feel. It's very finely milled, where, let me see if I can show you. You can see it there. So you just want to use a little bit, and it helps keep you matte as well. And I believe this retails for about $7 or $8, which isn't bad for a setting powder. I mean, it's a small packaging, but you know, you're paying like $7 for it, so hey. Another setting powder that I recently tried is the Dermablend powder. I bought this one in Warm Saffron. I also bought the lighter version. I forgot the name of it. What I will say about this powder, definitely if you have oily skin, it does keep you matte wherever you put it. Usually I just use it to set underneath my eyes and like down my nose. Basically wherever I highlight, I set it with this. People who are darker than my skin tone, this would be awesome for. If you compare the shades with the banana powder and this from ColourPop, you know, this one is very light yellow banana, and this one is, you know, a little bit more warmer and has more of an orange tint to it. But I do like it. If you don't like that extra bright highlighting effect, then I would definitely, if you're my complexion, you could definitely use this and it'll still do the job. It just has a little darker tint to it. It's not as yellow as the benign powder or the ColourPop no filter banana powder, but I do recommend it. It's great for oily skin. For drier skin, I'm not really sure, but it does provide that extra coverage, and it does provide that matte setting powder look. I also feel that it kind of filters out and kind of smooths out your skin as well. It's proclaimed to be a weightless micronized powder. It locks in makeup to ensure smudge resistance and enhances wearability for up to 16 hours of consistent color wear. So it's transparent upon application. This powder blends smoothly to mattify complexion and leaves skin looking flawless. An ultimate essential step to finish a coverage routine, and it's fragrance free. I would definitely say that it is a weightless micronized powder. I will also state that it does last a long time. I've worn this, you know, throughout the day. I didn't put it in all parts of my face. I only use it underneath my eyes. Really, I didn't use a lot of the powder, but I definitely would recommend this if you're looking for a good setting powder. So now, onto the lashes. So this would be your final result. With any lash, you want to measure them to your eye. You want to do that to see if you need to cut the lashes. You don't want to have extra lashes hanging off of your eye. You definitely want to size them and cut them to your eye shape. So these lashes, I already know they are custom made for my eye. But you want to make sure that they fit your eyes perfectly. Next, I usually put on liner first, so that I could kind of have, you know, a guideline, and basically my liner would be done. I like to use the Inglot number 77 gel liner because it doesn't go anywhere and it's the blackest black. I like to use the MAC 266 brush, which is an angled brush, to do my liner. So basically that's what you see right here. I went ahead and did my liner first. So next I'm just going to use some Duo glue. You could buy Duo practically anywhere. You could get it at Ulta, Beauty Supply, MAC, wherever you want. This retails for, I think, $6 or $7, but it comes half the size. Or you could go to MAC and they sell the Duo, I believe, for $10. So you don't need a lot of glue. I just put like a little pea size onto my box. And then I like to use like a spatula like this. You don't have to use this. I just have it because I'm a makeup artist, so that's what I use. So then next you just want to put some glue on the back of whatever you're using, and you just want to layer that on top of the band. So it'll be like so. I don't know if you can see that. You see the glue. Now, you could blow on this. You could let it sit for 30 seconds. You want the glue to be tacky when you're doing this, because if you apply it too soon, it's basically going to be moving everywhere. So you want it to become a little tacky. Don't wait too long where, you know, it dries up and then you have to reapply it. So definitely wait the 30 seconds or blow on it. There's been some controversy with whether to use tweezers or just use your fingers. Now, for me, when I was starting out, I just tend to use my fingers. Being that I have on nails is a little bit more difficult to do, but I'm used to using my fingers. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to use the tweezers, which I do occasionally. I'll use the tweezers because you still have to end up using your fingers anyways to kind of place the corner and the inner part of the eye and the outer part of the eye and make sure that it's really stuck on there. So next, you just want to use like a mirror, and you're just going to look down and then just kind of place it so you have it on your lash line. And then it should be set. You want to place it kind of in the middle of your eye. So you want to place it in the middle of your eye and then kind of just work it from the outside and then the inner part. Make sure that is really on your lash line. Practice makes perfect. When I first started out putting on lashes, I struggled. So don't be discouraged if you don't get it the first time. It takes practice. You have to keep practicing. That's the only way that you're going to get better at it. I reuse my lashes, my Bag Out Lash, which is my 3D mink lashes. These could be used up to 20 to 30 times. This is a better view of it. There you go. And these are more dramatic. You don't want to use too much glue because you don't want to make it thick. You just want a thin layer of glue. And I'm going to place it in the middle, kind of stretch it out. And that's when I kind of use my fingers and secure it. This one is dry, and that one's still trying to dry. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to put your lashes on. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check out my website, slrbeauty.com. Look out for promotions, sign up for the newsletter, follow my Instagram at @slrbeauty_. I'm very excited for this new journey. I had to revamp my business, but you know, I look to expand eventually with some other products. Beauty is my passion, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Thanks, bye guys.